Hello all, welcome to session 2 of C#.NET. In this session, we are going to find out whether .NET is free or paid. Let's get started. .NET is a product from Microsoft company. It's a developer platform which is provided by this Microsoft company, that too for free. Okay, we don't have to pay any license amount to use this .NET developer platform. And also on the top of that, it is an open source. That means we can access the code. There are a lot of developers around the globe who are working on this .NET developer platform and writing a lot of lines of code. All this code written by these developers across the globe, okay, we can access because this is a open source. Anyone can access, anyone can contribute to this .NET developer platform. So this is what is .NET, guys. Okay, it's free. It's not paid, it's free. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to explain more about .NET in a detailed manner. Till then, see you. Bye bye.